got that screw right there.
Oh my God! Can I see it?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Umuulan dito sa Texas. So, umalis ako ng bahay. Ulan, hangin. Habang nagdadrive ako, ayun, meron nag-show up ditong something is going on with my tire. So, nag-exit ako. Dito ako ngayon sa Nolanville, Texas. And naghanap ako ng air machine doon. Ayun. Ngayon, siguro hindi ko lang alam gamitin. Tinap ko yung aking card, it charged $1.50. So, hindi ko alam na paano gamitin kasi walang sounds. Pag nilalagay ko doon, hindi naman nagbo-blow yung air. So, pumasok ako sa gas station, sabi ko it's broken, sabi nila, tawagan ko doon yung number doon. Oh, so, just forget it, kung $2.50. But anyway, tinawagan ko insurance ko, road rescue. So, dating daw sila. So, let's see how long. Tumawag na sila, 10 minutes daw. Ito lang yung experience ko. Kalma lang, hindi tayo matatakot kasi unang-una meron tayong insurance na help sa'yo. Tawag na doon, road rescue. So ito yung experience ko na umuulan, mahangin, malamig, flat yung tire, hindi ko rin siya ma-drive papuntang Walmart to change my tire. Easy lang din yun. And ayoko din i-drive doon sa papuntang another gas station doon kasi ayoko masira yung rim ng aking car. Yung machine na hindi na-work. Ayan. Flat na flat ang aking tire. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Flat na siya. Dapat ganito siya. Ganyan. Tingnan nyo. So, hintayin natin yung magsasave sa akin. Lamig pa man din. Ang aga-aga pa naman sa labas ako. Ay, naku. So cold. Man ako na nagninervyos or natatakot kasi I am I think 15 minutes away from my home. Pero nandito ako sa isang town, Nolanville lang naman. Basta ang car, umaandar. At least, kung malamig man, ang kotse ay umaandar. Meron tayong heater. At saka nasa loob tayo ng kotse. There?
Yeah, I was yeah.
Oh my God. I was about to go to a restroom because I was like, okay.
Oh, you're fine. Well, since
Yeah.
you're here now, you can,
That one is not working for me. Look, I'm gonna show you. I got stuck in here,
do
so.
you want me to put your spare on or you just fill it up? Put air.
Babe, is it gonna be safe if we put some air to reach to a Walmart?
Walmart.
That's what I was trying to do.
Okay, let me see.
To put some air and then so I can go to Walmart to change the tire.
You don't know how long it took for it to go flat?
Yeah, that's what I wanna figure it out. That if I put some air, maybe I cannot make it.
I'll turn my van around. I'm gonna start filling it up. I'm gonna listen and see if it's deflating really fast. If
Okay.
it is, then I'll put your spare on.
Okay.
If it's holding, then you should be fine to get there. Because
Okay.
the Walmart's like 10, 12 minutes from here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
In Harker Heights, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want me to do now?
So I'm gonna turn my van around. I'm gonna fill it up. You can go use the bathroom.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. You can go use the bathroom. I'm gonna fill it up.
Yeah.
If it does need anything else, then I'll just wait for you to come out and I'll get your spare.
Sure, thank you so much. So, siguro sign na to. Nagstay ako dito sa gas station. So ngayon, ginawa ko, syempre, bumili ako ng loto. So, you never know. Yan na siya. Tingnan natin. Lalagyan niya ng air. Yan. Hi, how is it going?
Waiting to listen.
Uh-huh.
I see it right here.
Yeah.
You got that screw right there.
Oh my God! Can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I cannot see it. Right there.
Right there. Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. And I'm
Okay.
checking, I was sitting here just kind of like waiting.
You listening?
It's really not going down too fast. So
Uh-huh.
you got 10 minutes to get to the
To Walmart?
Yeah. It's really not deflating too bad.
Yeah, I don't know how to use that one. Actually, I thought it was broken.
I don't know how to use them either.
Really?
Yeah.
I know you have
got
your own.
Yeah. Like a slow leak, and you might not have noticed it.
Okay. So did you hear something?
No, not really.
So I can make it?
Yeah. Because I was checking them to see if it was deflating.
Yeah.
As I was like just kind of sitting here, because it filled up real fast.
Okay.
And then I was just sitting here, and every couple of seconds I'd test it, and
Yeah.
it's not really going.
Yeah.
I don't even know. It looks like you just picked it up because it's not all rubbed down and stuff.
Yeah, I'm
Are these
so
new
glad.
tires?
I bought it in Walmart. It's old. Is it old?
No. I was saying, are they new? Because they look pretty new. You might not need a whole new tire. They could probably just patch that, put a little thing in it.
Let's
and then you're
see.
fine. That'd be way cheaper.
So I'm good now?
Yep.
I'm safe?
Yeah.
What is your name?
Alyssa.
Okay, nice to meet you and thank you so much for
No
coming.
problem. I'm gonna take some more pictures and then get your license plate and your VIN number, and then I'm on there.
Yeah, so you can.
Yeah,
And-
I got another stop.
All right, thank you so much. So,
Give me 1 sec.
yeah, sure. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And have a great day.
You too,
Thank you. Punta na tayo ng Walmart. So, we still have time na mag-run ito bago to mag-flat ulit. So, probably from here to Walmart, 10 minutes. So, let's go guys. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila, kung i-change nila yung tire, pwede pa bang ma-fix or vulcanizing nila. Let's see. Lapit na tayo, papuntang Walmart. Ang kagandahan dito, meron naman na ilaline up mo lang yung car mo, tapos kung matapos na yung nasa harap sa'yo, ikaw na yung susunod. Yung Walmart, napakalaki. Ayun, may groceries, may pharmacies, auto care pickup. Pero, dun tayo sa may car center. Yan, lapit na po tayo. Umuulan-ulan pa rin. Ayan ang auto care. Tapos, dito tayo lilinya sa may tire. Dito tayo sa may tire. Let's see. If number 3, dito tayo sa number 3. Buti na lang wala ang... Oh, meron pala dun sa number 2. Ay, someone's there. Ayan, number 3 tayo. May lalapit sa yung tao. Ayan, that's it. Yung tire na flat sa likod, actually, binili ko to 2022. So, 22, bali 2 years na. Hindi ko lang alam kung kasama ba yun sa warranty ng yung nalagyan siya ng screw or pako. We will figure it out kung ano ba talaga. Let's see. Mukhang busy pa yung mga attendant dito ah. Sabi dito, please wait here for an attendant daw. So may lalapit sa'yo kasi dahil siguro busy sila or umuulan. We will wait. Good morning.
Hello,
Hi. Yes, my back tire.
Huh?
At the very back tire right side, it's flat. It was flat. So
Okay, what's the phone number? There's a Ford.
yeah,
What's the mileage on that?
it's oh, how can I do this? Do I need to do this?
Yep.
Okay. It's
149626.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a look at that tire. I'll be right back.
Okay. Wala siya sinabi. Titignan lang daw niya. It's somewhere.
I found it. It's right
Oh,
here.
you found it? Okay. We just put air today.
See the signature there that gives us permission to work in your vehicle? All right, you're going to hop out. We'll take the keys from you.
Okay. Turn it off and then give it to you.
Yes.
And then leave.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can
We'll
wait.
send you a text message when it's done.
Yeah.
When you get the text message, give that tag to people to register and they'll take care of it.
All right. Thank
That's
you so
right. Have a
much.
great day.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You too. Okay. Malalaman natin mamaya sa register kung magbabayad ba ako, kung anong gagawin nila. Ang gagawin natin, maghihintay tayo sa loob sa Walmart. Mamamalengke muna ako. Bibili ng itlog, bibili ng kung ano-ano like fruits. Voucher. Pasok muna tayo dito. Dito muna tayo. Ayan guys, $3 lang yung binayaran ko. Under warranty pa rin siya. So, yun yung copay ko, $3 lang. So, good to go. Pwede na natin siyang i-drive. Ayan. Ayan, okay ng aking tire. Okay na siya. Na-fix na nila. I think this side. This side. So, good.